The pound sterling and the euro continue gaining in value despite rather strong macroeconomic data from the United States. In our video review, we will find out the main reasons for such a rise and take a look at the future currencies movement. Such a situation was mainly triggered by concerns about a lack of progress in negotiations over the next stimulus package. If the parties fail to settle the issue, the US economic recovery may stagnate or even turn into another slump, causing a jump in unemployment rate. At the same time, there is a strong possibility that ahead of the upcoming elections, the parties will hardly come to an agreement. After the elections, the winning party may blame its opponents for the failure to reach a deal. Against the background, today's unemployment claims data may lead only to a short-lived rise in the US dollar. However, the forecast is quite positive. Thus, the number of the first-time and continuous claims may decline. However, market participants are really preoccupied by the continuous claims figures. The fact is that earlier the indicator was confidently falling, but during the last several weeks, the number of continuous claims has been unchanged at the very high level. This is a sure sign of a slowdown in the economic revival. Moreover, if the unemployment rate remains the same, it may result in a lower consumer activity and even deeper recession. In other words, there are a lot of risks, and even the expected drop in the number of claims will hardly encourage investors. The euro-dollar pair is still trading within the range of 1.1700 and 1.1910. The level of 1.1720 acted as a support and pushed the pair back to 1.18. Let's take a look at the chart. We can see that during the Asian session, the price consolidated above 1.18. As a result, now it's hovering near the upper limit of the range. If the euro-dollar pair consolidates above 1.18, it may advance to 1.1860, 1890, where the level of 1.1890 acts as the upper limit of the range. According to the alternative scenario, the price may slow down to drop below 1.18 and approach the range between 1.17 and 1.18. The pound-dollar pair is still trading within the range of 1.30 and 1.3185, showing extremely low dynamic. Some time ago, the pair reached the high of 1.3008 locked on August 7th. The psychological level of 1.30, which also acts as a lower limit of the range, has reduced the number of short positions, resulting in a bounce. According to the chart, the pair made an attempt to move up towards the range of 1.3085. However, the activity became really low. If the price consolidates above 1.31, it may continue gaining in value. Otherwise, the pound-dollar pair will fluctuate within the range of 1.30 and 1.3085. That's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel. See you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.